welcome to Finance 101. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your Shiba on Binance and transfer the money back into your Canadian bank account. So as you can see right here under Spot Wallet, if you go to Spot right here, that's all the money I have in there. So what I did was I sold 85% of my Shiba right here. So it went under USDT on the top here, as you can see, and the rest of what I have left is 7 million Shiba left on the bottom here. So the problem people are having is, so after you sell, how do you take your money out? So let's go back exactly how you will sell it if you were to sell it. So you come here and you will click on Spot right here, and after you click on Spot, normally the USDT won't be on top, it'll just be the Shiba on top because that's where your holding is. So you click on Shiba and you come down here. Because it's for Canadians, all you have to do is sell your Shiba into USDT right here. Or, sorry, I'm going to go back. Know how that got there. I touched it, so it went back. Okay. So you click on that, you come here, and you sell your USDT right here. If you're from a different country, depending where you are, so I guess you can sell Shiba to Brazil on the top one or in Euro. So after you click on that here, it will bring you to this screen here. And as you can see, it's highlighted sell. So what you're going to do is change the sell to sell, buy to sell. So you are sell now, and you can sell 25%, 50, 75, or 100%. But since I already sold 75% of mine, I want to leave the rest and see what happened. Let's go to the next step we're supposed to do. So you go in, you get to this point, you sell. I want to press sell right now, and I go back to wallet now. When I go back to wallet, as you can see right here, USDT, I sold it, it's right on top here now. So all I need to do now is transfer the money now from funding into Spot Wallet. So I go transfer here, and if you come here, don't be confused over here, just look complicated here, but you see where it said BTC here? Click on BTC, and on the top where it says BTC, type in USDT. As you can see, I have $800.80. I have $880 in there. So I will highlight it now. And now that I highlighted it, I'm going to transfer from my Spot to funding. So Spot to funding, I'm going to hit max. And as you can see, now just click down here, confirm transfer. And after that is done now, the money is already in there. So right now, it's not up here no more. As before, it was up here, it's gone now. So the next process you have to do now is go to funding here. If you go to funding, we need to get to, so we go to Spot. So you're going to go to Spot. And now, at this point, you need to transfer the money, sell the money to someone. That way, they'll be able to transfer the money to your bank account. That's the last step you have to do. So under funding, as you can see here up on the top, you can see P2P over here. You see pay and gift card. So what we're going to do now is go to P2P. You click on P2P, and as you can see over here, we are already under USDT, that's highlighted in the yellow. You got BTC, BUSD. So we only got $800, and if you can see down here, this person here, let's back up 1 second. Right now I say buy, we're not buying, we are selling. So make sure you highlight sell over here. So now I'm going to find person that will be able to cover me $300 up to at least 800 or 1,000. That will be able to cover the money I need out. Okay, look like we have to stay in the 1 cent. Okay, let's go with this one then. And okay, so 880. 880 and 79 cents. Okay, 880 79 cents. I'm already registered, so I'm good to go. Then I go sell. So now it give me over here, as you can see here, it give me about 13 minutes and 12 seconds to complete everything. So I'm waiting for the buyer so I can go in here and have conversation with them and see. I'm waiting to see when they send the money. So I'm going to pause the video here, and when they come through, I'll verify with you. Okay, so the video is taking too long because I
I went inside chat up here, and the person left their number there for me to call. In my call, no one answered. I also sent them a text message. I'm waiting to verify before. When they do send a message that they have sent the money, I'll go in my bank account and make sure the money is there. And then down here, where it says PO and confirm receipt, I'll confirm only when I see the money in my bank account first. So right now I'm waiting. And it's also saying that I got 43 minutes up here, but if I have to wait that long, the video will be too long. So I'm sure it's going to come in, and when it does come in, everything's going to be all right. But just for the purpose of making the video, at least you know how to sell and transfer the money into your account. And that's the whole purpose of the video. So I'm going to be waiting and see what will happen. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. I'm going to be waiting.